Okay. So I haven't done a video on Alien Words yet, but I need to post a video. So this is what I need to do. Um, these user accounts, I have different
I
videos
can't
that.
see your screen.
Oh, okay. I'm not sharing yet. Okay, hold on. Give me a sec here. Let me share my screen. Okay. Awesome. Okay, so now this CapCut user account on a Banana Pro. Okay. So you can see the username. I'll take a picture, then you can check which of your login has this username. But what I'm looking for is you're gonna see this under the projects. If you log in, I believe the project actually the project should be in the cloud for you to be able to see it. So if you go to spaces, either on your phone or on your laptop, it's gonna be there. Go to Alien Words. I'm just gonna upload the project here. So I'll just upload all of them here. So you have a copy. Yes, I don't know. Anyone that is not named. Okay, so upload. So when you come to Alien Words, not enough space. Actually come to the AI gem. Then there's Alien Words inside. Okay. I'm gonna create a new folder. I'm gonna create a new folder by clicking on this thing called new folder. And I'm gonna say new HTW videos. Um, yeah, I'm gonna upload the projects again and upload. So only this AI gem has space on our, you can see it has 1000 gig, but the rest of them just has like 1 gig. So when you're trying to upload into the space, that's why you get errors like that. Anyway, so you can, I think you should be able to use your lap. No, actually, you can use your phone or your laptop. And that's why you need that company phone. Because you can just easily use that phone for all of these things. Okay, so now when one of this is ready, I'm going to open this. So what I need you to do, I need to turn this into a long to short video. Although the video is 30 seconds or so, I need to convert it into shots of like 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Hopefully all the things in this video are still there. It's just loading. So the goal is I just need to export this video. I need you to save it. That's all. So save the video. I'm going to do a practical. So you're going to save this face over feelings. Where do I want to save it? I want to save it on my download. Okay. Um, I'm just going to click on export here. So you save these videos one after the other. Um, let's see. It's quite slow. So when you're done saving it, there is a part of CapCut that says long video to short. You're going to take this video, go in there and convert the video to a short. Right now, this video is like 34 seconds, 39 seconds. When you do that, when you do that long to short, then it kind of converts it to like 2 or 3 pieces, where the most important words that you're saying is what is highlighted there. Okay. So the video has downloaded. This preferably you can use your phone for it because of the way the video would download. Sometimes it will take a longer time with your laptop. So you're going to X out of this by closing this view. Now it takes you to this place here. Now when you're here, I'm gonna go to home. You'll see this thing called long video to shorts. It's most likely gonna be on your CapCut, hopefully. But click on it. So you can turn your long videos into short videos. So when I do maybe YouTube videos on finance or insurance, this is where you need to come and turn it into a short. So it's going to ask you to put your file here. So I'm going to click on this and the file I just saved, I'm going to put it here, which is this one. Um, I think the file already has a caption, so I'm not going to bother putting extra captions on it. But if it doesn't, you even have the option to add a caption that you want, and you have the option to, depending on how long you want the video to be. Yeah, so it might let me convert, it might not let me convert. Time needed. So selected duration. Yeah, depends on the length of your original video. When you are done, you can now come here to convert and click on it. Then to try and get so it says to convert your video will be uploaded to our server, transcribed to text, and processed by a third-party AI model. Please do not share any personal, sensitive, or confidential information. So click on agree. Now, this they will upload this video on their server. They will look at what you've said and they will bring out like the most important words, like short words, like 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds out of what you've said. So let's just kind of wait for it to do what it needs to do. So because my video is very short, like a 30, it was a 39 seconds, it just kind of gave me back what I gave it. But if you have like longer videos like 3 minutes and so, it should be able to turn this into multiple shots for you. But that's kind of like the idea. So let me see if I can find any long video. I doubt if I have any long videos. Most of them are really short. It's 37 seconds, 35. 'Cause I already did my editing on it. It's 35. So yeah, I don't have a long video. But yes, that's how to get short videos out of there. You can now download and use it as your shorts. So